Where's the stars? Where's the cow jumping over the moon? Yep. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears, and good night, chairs. You see the moon? Where's the stars? Can you say stars? Say stars. Where's the bowl full of mush? You see the mush? Where's the red balloon? You see the mouse? Yes, you're so smart.
What's that?
That's the fireplace. Good night, kittens.
What's that?
Somebody put a sticker in your book, didn't they? Good night, Did you put that sticker there? You want to take it off? Okay, you can pull it off. Can you get it?
Yay.
Yeah. Good night, mittens. Good night, clocks, and good night, socks. You see the mouse? Where's the mouse? You don't see the mouse? See the moon? Yeah.
The mouse.
You see the mouse? Yep, up there's the mouse. You see the mouse. Good night, little house. And good night, mouse. Good night, comb, and good night, brush. Where's the mouse? Fireplace. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. Good night to the old lady whispering hush. Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. See the moon? Where's the moon? The end. You like that? Is that your favorite book?
My face.